my soul, but that's me. What about you?
Hi everyone, this is my Sunny boy.
Snakyland.
And let's eat, let's try them. We tried before, long time ago, I tried before, just the Shin Ramyun. But we have here kimchi one and spicy seafood. And this is udon type noodles. And as you see here, it's way thicker.
We smelled them and they actually smell really weird.
This one, it's very, I'm not sure you can see one by one, but this is way more thicker. It's definitely
lighter and
lighter.
color.
Lighter in color, you're right. So,
we smelled them each. This one smells like pure seafood.
Yeah.
This one though smells like chips.
And
like
this one smells
potato chips, not fries, chips. And then
this
here,
one.
This smells like BBQ chips.
Let's mix it and let's try. Which one do you want to try first?
Seafood.
The seafood? Okay, let's do the seafood first. Okay, I really like the texture. Probably it will be the...
Give me a little bit because I'm not sure, because I'm not a fan of seafood. Well, I love seafood, but certain type of seafood.
And let's try. Again, this is the thickest one out of the bunch. Oh, it definitely smells like seafood and smells like seaweed.
Honestly, isn't that bad.
No, and I love the texture.
I thought it would be much seafoody.
I think it's the seaweed that smells like seafood mostly. This is the seaweed, I'm not sure you can see it. You know what, it's very nice. Actually, it's just a delight. The texture is... Okay. Actually, even you like that. It's not really bad and it's not too spicy. Here's coconut milk.
But I think I will add it anyway because I do like the flavor mixed with ramen and coconut milk. Anyway, so
okay,
that's me.
It's up to you. Okay, let's try the Shin Ramyun. You can take with your fork definitely. Again, I've tried the Shin Ramyun before.
I haven't.
But I don't think Ariel had. It definitely smells like chips. Try it first before you're adding.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Very like. It's spicy. It's not overly spicy. It's not like samyang noodles.
It's nice, but I still think the flavor will be better with this.
But what I think about this, it's very much, you know what this reminds me? Doritos flavor.
Yeah.
This reminds me of spicy Doritos a little bit. This type of flavors. And
this one's definitely spicier than this.
And apparently all of those made in USA. It's the Namyang brand. I like it. Do you?
Same.
Very spicy than this. Better with it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll need to try it. Oh. Ah, nice. Okay, let's try this one. I just mix it. Try the kimchi one. Try the kimchi one. Woohoo!
I think I need to twist it a little bit.
Oh yeah. Okay. I will need to try it from here. Ah, it fell. The kimchi one I never tried as well.
I don't know. Again, I like mixing. I'm gonna mix these two.
The kimchi itself, it's not exactly like kimchi. I would say it's like caramelized onion with a little bit of caramelized napa cabbage. This is more like flavor to me. It's not really highlight and kimchi. Let's put it this way. It's not this. That I'm going to eat it with this.
And you bought fresh one.
Yeah. Like, I wouldn't say that it's wow kimchi flavor, but it's nice flavor nevertheless.
I like it with this. It tastes nice.
But you don't need it for spicy reason. It's just for the flavor. This is the spices. The Shin Ramyun is the ramen. I'm telling that's like Korean would say. Shin Ramyun is the spiciest out of those bunch. Definitely. But not in any way close spicy to the Samyang noodles, the previous that we tried.
I just like it because the flavor, I like kind of the dairiness of that. But it's not actually dairy.
Creaminess, I think.
Yeah.
You mean?
And then the coconut flavor also is nice.
Here you go. Have it. Which one is favorite out of the three flavors?
I want to mix all three.
Let's do it. I will take a little bit of this. I love the texture of those though. Like those noodles ones.
I actually like these two. Texture.
You love this, the tiny are better.
Yeah. But.
And this one. And I want a little bit of this one because they run away from me. So yeah.
Same. These are the
And
most
this looks
slipperiest
like
as well.
Yeah, they are.
And
Let's
over
mix
here.
all of them. It's interesting. You're right. It's interesting to mix all of them.
And since
Let's
they're
mix
different
them.
And since they're different noodles.
Yeah. You see they're like... You can see even the color and texture. I'm not sure you can really see it. But color and texture is different inside them.
Well, that feels weird. I like it though.
Flavors wise, it's nice. It's spicy enough. It's everything enough.
Yeah.
And the texture wise, it's well drawn. I think that I love the different texture. Like your brain can really grasp it. If it's thin, if it's thick, what it is. But I like it.
You want to try a little bit with the cream?
Yeah.
A little coconut.
It's nice flavor, but I think it's a little bit overpowering the other flavors. And I enjoy the flavors of those ones, so yeah.
I like Regina and soy sauce.
Yeah.
Where she thinks soy sauce overpowers sushi.
Yeah. I think it's overpowered the flavor, but it's all good if you like to eat it. Actually, and on the other hand, I'm eating it with kimchi, so I like it with kimchi. Lovely flavor combinations. Nice.
This is definitely not as spicy.
Not even remotely spicy.
No.
But it's definitely lovely. I like that. Still doing this?
Now I just want you to do the effect like you did in the other mukbang. That's all I want you to do.
Yeah, Mommy knows how to do it. Let's do it together. Which one? I like this one. I really do like this one. I like the texture of this one a lot. I would love to be udon noodles with Shin Ramyun flavor. I think this too, like the texture of this one and the flavor of Shin Ramyun, I think. That's why I like to mix them. Ariel finished today swimming. What did you do? What did you make for your swimming teacher? Show them.
She likes elephants, so I made little elephants.
Yeah, he made one for her. Like he made 3. Yes, he made one for her. She already gave him. Do you want to mix it? What do you want to eat?
What I want is this one and that one.
Okay. Do you want me to put it together? Okay.
Oh, good.
So I will take this one and I will add the juices out of this one to here. Does it work?
Yeah.
That's what I want. I want the texture of those ones and the juices of the Shin Ramyun for sure.
And my favorite thing to add is some cream or coconut milk. I thought it would be the same spiciness as
No.
or a little bit, or maybe a little bit less, but
I know that the Shin Ramyun, because I tried it, I know that it's less spicy than the other ones. I think it's very comfortable and nice spice level. What do you think? For you too? It's very comfortable one.
I would buy these two and mix them, and then I would buy the cheese and curry and mix those.
Deal.
So buy these two and then buy the cheese and curry, and we're good. Makes all 4.
Could be. And maybe we will try different other types. You can slurp, you know. It's the noodles. You should slurp the noodles, I think. Lovely, the flavor and the texture is amazing.
Because after the mukbang, I felt like I was gonna
Explode.
burn from the inside out.
And yet you ate it afterward. About a half an hour after.
Yeah, but after that,
It's nice.
today I don't feel like that's gonna happen.
No, I don't think so.
I just think my mouth will hurt for a while.
I don't know. You get used to it.
You also had much more spicy things than I have.
Nice, nice. Do you want more of this? I mix it with a little bit of spicy sauce. Do you want it or not?
Sure.
Yeah, it burns a bit.
Not a bit. A ton.
I don't know, I enjoy the burn. I'm enjoying the burn. Totally. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. What I can tell that I'm really proud of Ariel today. He could do 150 meters of swimming without any problems. Even more you can do. They just stopped them at this point. So, way to go. It's really nice.
First, she said do whatever you want. Then second, she said no, do 2 lengths of whatever you want. Then she said no, do 2 lengths of something. And then he said no, let's count how many meters. And then he count.
She can't
Are you
count.
willing to do 150 meters /6? I said sure.
So you did the 6 of it and it wasn't a problem with you. Yeah. So I think we will finish for today. So you love the Shin Ramen the best and the kimchi actually.
But my favorite is curry and cheese.
Curry and cheese of Samyang.
Yeah.
It's different brand. It's
No,
like
in general, of ramen,
okay.
those are my favorite.
And you like the
Well, mix.
and
With
you-
coconut.
Yeah. And did you like the Indomie? The fried with the onion fries.
Oh yeah, those were good. Those were good.
They were good.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think I love curry from the Samyang. I love the regular from the Samyang. I think they're somewhere in together. I really enjoy the.
I like to mix the cheese and the curry
this
because
one,
it makes
and
a cheesy
I
curry.
think out of all texture that I've tried of those ones, I think this one is extremely great, and I think the
Honestly, I like
the soupy one
the
of
noodle, the
Samyang.
fried noodle feel. So I like fried noodle feel.
Yeah.
So that's why I like those two better.
Awesome. Yeah, so here we have it. We tried it, and thank you so for staying with us. Let us know which one of you of the instant noodles you love the most.
Elephants, 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 elephants.
So thank you so very much, and do write us a comment, subscribe, thumb up us in cheers, love and life, and see you next time. Please go towards your joy, do something fun every day, try new foods, and see you next time.
Bye. Yeah.